Hello students. Good news for students who are preparing for RE-NEET 2026. MS Education Academy is coming with wonderful, most important bit session in all the 4 subjects: botany, zoology, physics, chemistry. Students, our team is there with you. Please follow our lecturers' instructions. Inshallah, your score will increase in coming NEET exam. All the best, students.
So, hi students, in NEET 2026, so chemical bonding, most expected questions we are going to discuss now. So, chemical bonding is most important for any competitive entrance examination. NEET, they are going to ask minimum 4 to 5 questions. So, today we will discuss most important question from chemical bonding. So, now if you see first question, so in which case the octet rule is not obeyed. So we know that octet rule means we need 8 electrons in the outermost shell. So here first one, titanium plus 3. So second option in the formation of Na plus ion. Third option in the formation of Ca plus 2 ion. Fourth option in the formation of K plus ion. So option 1 does not follow octet rule. So it is because titanium, the atomic number of titanium 22, it has argon 4s2 3d2 configuration. So titanium plus 3 means loss of 3 electrons. That means argon, it has 4s0 3d1 configuration. It has 1 electron extra. That means it does not follow octet rule. Then if you go for second option, sodium atomic number 11 of the loss of 1 electron, it has an octet configuration. So third option, atomic number of calcium 20 of the loss of 2 electrons, it has an argon configuration. So it obeys octet rule. Even potassium atomic number 19 of the loss of 1 electron, it follows octet configuration. That means correct option is first option. Is it clear? Then question number 2, see this question based on polarizing power and Poisson's rule. So question what here? Polarizing power of cadmium plus 2 ion, the anion is stronger than that of Ca plus 2 ion. This is because of, so it is depends upon fourth option, see everyone, calcium plus 2 ion as noble gas configuration. So cadmium plus 2 ion as pseudo inert gas configuration. So our syllabus 1B, 2B group elements, 1B and 2B elements, it follows pseudo inert gas configuration. So silver, zinc, cadmium, mercury follows pseudo inert gas configuration. So correct option is here. You can take correct option is fourth option. Is it clear? So next, so question number 3. So given the electronegativity of 3 elements given, so x equal to 1.0, y equal to 2.5, z equal to 3.0, the type of bond formed between xy, yz asking here. So we know that if the electronegativity difference between 2 atoms greater than 1.7, then ionic bond is formed. If less than 1.7, then covalent bond is formed. That means between x and y, difference is the 1.5. Between x and z, difference is 2.0. That means no doubt between x and y, difference is 1.5. There is a covalent bond is formed. So between x and z, difference is more than 1.7, covalent bond is formed. Sorry, I repeat, between x and y, there is a formation of, x and y, there is a formation of covalent bond. Between x and z, there is a formation of ionic bond. That means correct option you can take option A. So next.
Wait. First option tick చేయాలి కదా సార్.
Yes sir, option sir.
Continue just change.
Done. So that means correct option is first option. So between x and y, I repeat again, sorry, x and y, option B correct. Between x and y, X and Y ionic bond formation. That means correct option is option B. Second option you can take. Then next question. So the correct order of ionic character of Pb2, PbCl2, PbBr2, PbI2 is. So I'll give you simple trick to answer this type of questions. So whenever size of anion very small, no doubt the type of compound always will form ionic bond. So if you see here, size of fluorine very small, size of iodine very large, that means no doubt. So due to the size, a small size of anion always will form ionic bond. So correct option is first option you can take. Then next question, see. So which of the following have planar trigonal shape? So I repeat again, whenever trigonal planar means we need 3 bond pairs, 0 lone pairs. If any molecule has 3 bond pairs at central atom, there is no lone pairs at central atom, the type of molecule you can call trigonal planar. If you go for option A, this is my sulfur group number 6. That means you can go for 6 electrons here. So it forms 2 bonds. No doubt it has 2 lone pairs and 2 bond pairs, angular shape. Then if you go for option B, this is my phosphorus group number 5. It has a 5 electrons here. That means there is a formation of 4 bonds, 1 lone pair, 3 bond pairs. It has a trigonal pyramidal shape. That means carbonate ion. This is structure of carbonate ion. This is my structure of carbonate ion. It has sp2 hybridization and trigonal planar shape. Then if you go for fourth option, BF4 minus, it has a tetrahedron shape. That means correct option should be option C. So option C has trigonal planar shape. I repeat, all trigonal planar shape molecules have 0 dipole moment. So extra information, and all trigonal planar molecules there is no dipole moment. So carbonate ion is a trigonal planar molecule. So next question, if you see, the formation of which of the following ion is not possible. So I repeat again, this type of question I'll give you super trick to answer. So in the periodic table, if you go any group you can go, first element unable to form more than 4 bonds. I repeat again, in periodic table, if you take any group, first element unable to form more than 4 bonds. That means if you see here, boron, if you see, boron is a third group element, boron is a first element of third group element. Boron can form maximum 4 bonds. Boron unable to form pentavalency, hexavalency. So right option is not only boron. If you go for carbon, if you go for nitrogen, so they are unable to form more than 4 bonds. So next question, if you then next question. So which of the following matches is not correct? Not correct asked here. So ICl minus 2 linear ion. Yes, no doubt. This is ICl, iodine central atom. It has a totally 8 electrons, including negative charge here. So then Cl and Cl. So it has sp3d hybridization. It has sp3d hybridization, linear shape. Now if you go for next one, this is my iodine. It has 8 electrons at central atom. So it has 4 chlorines, no doubt. It has square planar. It has square planar geometry. It has a square planar geometry. Next, XeF2, nothing but like a I3 minus, like a ICl2 minus, linear shape molecule. At central atom has 3 lone pairs and 2 bond pairs. Then fourth option is sulfate ion. So sulfate ion is a tetrahedral molecule. There is not trigonal planar. So that means correct option is sulfate ion, S double bond O, single bond O minus, single bond O minus. So I repeat, so fourth option is incorrect option. The next question. So the atomic number of tin is 50. The atomic number of tin is 50, fourth group element. The shape of gases SnCl2 molecule is. So no doubt this is my tin from carbon family. The valency of tin is 4 because fourth group element. So there is a formation of SnCl2 molecule. So after formation of SnCl2 molecule, it has a one lone pair and two bond pairs. That means it has angular shape. It has angular shape. So correct option should be option D. Option D, correct option. So I repeat again, tin belongs to fourth group element. It can form maximum 4 bonds. Here one lone pair and two bond pairs. So move on to the next question. Yes. So this question already asked in NEET previously. So which of the following statement about repulsions between bond pair and lone pair is correct? We know that always lone pair repulsion is very high as compared to lone pair and bond pair, then bond pair and bond pair. I repeat again, due to presence of lone pair repulsions, okay, due to presence of lone pair repulsions, bond angle also decreases. We have a best example. For example, if you see, this is my methane molecule, this is my ammonia, this is my water molecule. So methane has only bond pair repulsions. It has bond pair repulsions. That means it has 109 is the bond angle. Ammonia has lone pair bond pair repulsions. It has 107 bond angle. Whereas water has lone pair repulsions. It has bond angle 104. That means due to presence of lone pair repulsions, the bond angle of any molecule decreases. So correct option will be, so lone pair, bond pair. So clear? Then if you go for the next question. So then, yes, so which of the following does not have linear shape? So which of the following does not have linear shape? So this is my mercury chloride. So in the mercury chloride, mercury is a central atom. So it has 2 bonds, no doubt it has a linear shape. And SnCl2, this is my tin as one lone pair, and this is bond pair, it has an angular shape. Then if you go for acetylene molecule, this is my C triple bond C, you can call alkyne or acetylene, most acidic hydrocarbon. So it has sp hybridization linear shape. It has a linear shape. Then last option, carbon disulfide. Special word, carbon disulfide is a non-polar solvent. The dipole moment of carbon disulfide is 0. That means if you see C double bond S you can take. That means again linear molecule. This is linear and this is linear. This is angular. You can go with here not linear asked. So that means right option should be option B. You can go with option B. Right? So next question. So thanks to MS team. Good luck. All the very best for students.